welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi and welcome to today. Here we have rosemary. My rosemary is a bit sad, but it's hanging on. I brought it as a small plant and it had about this much on it, and it's kind of growing, but it's still a bit sad and I'm not sure why. I grew this in London and the leaves were very green. I think maybe it doesn't like direct sunlight, and that's what I found with aloes as well. Aloes, for me, doesn't seem to grow well in direct sunlight, and that's why I've had to move some of my plants. Somebody suggested Epsom salts, which I did put down, and it seemed to kind of give it a kick, but it's back to looking a bit sad now. And I did put Epsom salts down a few days ago, but again, you know, it hasn't seemed to kind of revive it any. I love the smell of rosemary. It's just such a beautiful smell, and it's very strong, and it's really great to put in, obviously cook with, and I use it in herbal teas. And if you can, there's a beautiful combination of the rosemary and orange peel. If you dry the orange peel, that combination, it's a beautiful herbal tea. So actually, if there's anybody who's got some advice as to what I should be doing with this to revive it, please do let me know. I've seen somebody else's actually, and it's growing in shade. It's growing surrounded by trees. So yeah, maybe with this as well, I'm going to take a cut in and see whether I can get it going in a place that has, say, most of the afternoon in shade, so it has some sunshine but it gets mostly shade. But if there's anybody with some advice, I would happily take it as to what they think I should do with my rosemary to revive it. Yeah, because in London, my one, it was just like, it was a bush. It was like, it was taller than this, but it was bushy, and it was just, you know, it was flowering and everything. But yeah, never mind. But yeah, any advice, I'll happily take it. And as you can see, it's flanked by my basil plants that seem to like it here, so they're in the right place. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and take care for now.